EngageBay CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. EngageBay CRM is a comprehensive all-in-one customer relationship management tool designed for small to medium-sized businesses, aiming to streamline sales, marketing, and customer support. It provides a robust suite of features that include email marketing, lead management, ticketing, automation, and analytics. What makes EngageBay stand out is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for non-technical users, while still offering powerful tools for growth-focused teams. One of its most notable features is the integrated sales automation. EngageBay helps businesses automate tasks such as lead nurturing, follow-ups, and conversions, allowing your team to focus on what matters most: building relationships with clients. The email marketing feature is also highly customizable, with templates and A/B testing to optimize campaigns and seamless integration with the CRM to ensure personalized outreach. Additionally, EngageBay's built-in ticketing system enables businesses to manage customer queries more efficiently, ensuring no request is missed and reducing response times. EngageBay offers a significant advantage with its automation workflows. You can set up complex workflows with ease, ensuring that every step of your customer journey is automated, from capturing leads to sending follow-up emails or assigning tasks to team members. This saves a tremendous amount of time and ensures a more consistent experience for your customers. The software also integrates with third-party apps like Zapier, Shopify, and WordPress, enhancing its versatility. Another key strength is its affordability. EngageBay provides a free plan with essential features, which is an excellent option for small businesses just starting to scale. Paid plans are also competitively priced compared to other CRM solutions, offering great value for the range of features included. While EngageBay offers a lot of functionality, it may not be ideal for very large enterprises or businesses with extremely complex needs, as some advanced features can feel basic compared to higher-end CRMs. The learning curve can be steep for new users, especially if you're unfamiliar with CRM systems. But the platform offers adequate support through tutorials, FAQs, and a responsive help desk. Overall, EngageBay is a solid CRM solution for businesses looking to grow without breaking the bank. It's intuitive, feature-rich, and scalable, making it a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses that want to efficiently manage their customer relationships.